That is a delicious pot of collard greens and smoked drumsticks. Oh my. Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back here at the stove for another quick video, you guys. Are you truly doing good? Terrific. Okay, so guys, today we're getting closer to the holidays. And even when it's not a holiday, I enjoy good food, okay? So today, you guys, what we have, because you know I love my greens. And I love greens with just about any type of meat. Well, like I told you guys, greens can be cooked with chicken in a one-pot meal. So what we have today is some smoked drumsticks. Smoked drumsticks, okay? Yes, I found these in the market. Now, I have cooked greens of all sorts with chicken, but never smoked chicken. And I'm sure this is going to make a terrific pot of greens. Now, I'm not going to leave the whole drum in there, but I am going to bring this to a boil so it can get that flavor on in there. And we're just going to go on here. We're not going to use all of them, but your girl wanted to get the big parts, meat, this smoked drum, this smoked chicken, because we want that to be a little meaty. Okay, so that's enough for in there. These I will put in probably in the oven, more most likely. But anywho, we're gonna bring this to a boil, you guys. We're gonna bring those to a boil, and yeah, that is what we're having, a one-pot collard green meal on the stove, you guys. Tell me, have you ever had collard greens or mustards and turnips or kales or turnips or mustards? Have you ever just had greens with chicken before? I know I have. It's a more healthier recipe than I have with pork. And yeah, you know, it makes a terrific pot of greens. So we're going to let that come to a boil before we insert our greens. Okay, guys, so we're back. As you see, our smoked drumsticks has really took a boil, okay? So, now, you see all that flavor up in that pot? You guys, if you could smell the aroma in this house right now, just from the smoke drumlets, okay? With drumsticks. But we're gonna, our next move is we're gonna add our greens right on in here. Yes. Gonna add our greens. Oh. I had 3 bundles. Now we have some smoked legs, drumsticks back there. I'm gonna slide those in the oven. But I just want to cook these on down. And meantime, I will be breaking the meat off the drumsticks. Okay? Now, like I stated, you don't have to have smoked drumsticks. You can have whatever piece of chicken of your choice. Let's let that cook down some. You can have whatever piece of chicken of your choice. You don't have to go with the smoke, but greens and chicken in one pot is a terrific one-pot meal. Okay, so our next step is we're going to add us some extra virgin olive oil. Just like so. I'm going to stir that on in here. But let's put some seasoning on here. Now I have a special blend of house seasoning. that I like to go with to stop the salt intake, because a lot of my blend does not have salt. We're just gonna bring some greens from the bottom to the top, because we want to fit our meat in here and let these greens cook for about approximately 2 hours. It shouldn't take this size of pot that long. But here go our smoked drumlets, and we're gonna put them right back in there. I'm gonna mix that on up in there. Yes, I was in the mood for me some good old southern greens with some chicken in a one-pot meal. Okay guys, so what I did, I added some crushed peppers up in here, and I just let them steam for a while before, you know, I stirred them into the mix of greens. Look at that smoked chicken. You guys, take a look at that. Now, does that not look yummy? Chicken good and tender. And yes, this is only a 2-hour meal, if that, because it all depends on how many greens you want, if the texture of green you want. Oh my goodness, that smoked chicken looking really good, and it smells as if I put smoked turkey in here, but we know these were smoked drumsticks. And yeah, it's gonna be just as good and more healthier, I guess you could say. So I'm just gonna let this cook a little more, maybe about 20 minutes, and then that is it on these greens. So there you have it, guys. This is a delicious pot of collard greens and smoked chicken drumsticks. That's right, smoked chicken and drumsticks. These greens can be made with any type of meat, you guys. If you don't believe me, try it out yourself. Share this video with any and everyone, and let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And also, what we have is some vegetarian corn muffins. You guys, this is the corn muffins right here. I didn't get a chance to show you guys, but I used Jiffy corn muffin for vegetarians. And we have those 3 legs smoked. I put them in the oven, you guys, and look at the deliciousness. Okay, so there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, try out this recipe, you guys. It's simple, easy, and delicious, and you cannot go wrong with it. So I am sending much love from my house to yours. Enjoy your Sunday. Goodbye.